So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we've got plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer on the right-hand side, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge in the middle at the bottom, and above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 35,066. We have the trip computer in that section as well. You can change that information using controls on the steering wheel. So, for example, there we have a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. We've got various other menus from your satellite navigation, audio and telephone, back round to the trip computer and speedometer again. And the buttons I was using to do that are just here. We have our stereo and phone controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side along with the speed limiter for the car. And then into the center, the main touchscreen, which as you can see includes satellite navigation. Really easy system to use. We've done a video showing how it works, which you can find on our website and YouTube channel. You can pair your phone up from here.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on screen from there. We've also got our audio options. So you can see here AM, FM and DAB radio. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. This car also has 2 separate USB inputs, so you can plug devices into those as well. And then there are certain Ford-friendly apps that you can have up on this screen too. Below that, we have the air conditioning. You can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning's on at the minute. That's off. Back on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set here. We've also got a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. Some storage down here. 12-volt charging socket, one of the 2 USB inputs I mentioned. The gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. And then down here, we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. You can turn the traction control on and off from here as well. And you can change the driving setup of the vehicle. So you can go from normal to eco or sport. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at MJA Car Sales. We'd love to hear from you soon.